Hey Queens, welcome to episode 1 of Queenhood TV. Today's topic is so amazing, actually one of my favorite topics to talk about, which is queens having goals. Setting goals and accomplishing goals as a queen, it's so important not only for your personal self-confidence, but also for your journey to financial freedom. So let's get right into it so that we can know everything you need to set your goals as a queen. So here in Queenhood Finance, we understand that queens uphold personal values that guide them directly towards their vision of financial freedom. And here in Queenhood, we understand that we focus on longevity and we also focus on prosperity. So in order to achieve longevity and prosperity, you must set and accomplish goals that lead you directly to that. So let's talk about some of the goals, especially your personal finances, that you can set that will guide you to longevity and prosperity. Short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals could look like paying off your vehicle, paying off your current credit cards that you have, or even paying off personal debt. Long-term goals can look like paying off those student loans or possibly even paying off your mortgage. And more importantly, with those long-term goals also is ensuring that you have a savings and an emergency fund set up. Did you know that 69% of millennials don't have emergency funds? Yes, I said it. 69% of millennials in America, they don't have emergency funds. Emergency funds, especially with what happened in 2020, they're so important. As a queen, again, when you're focusing on that longevity and that prosperity, you understand that financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon, right? And if you want that longevity, those goals that you set up right now, those are the things that lead you towards longevity and prosperity. But before you set your goals and you get started, let's have a backtrack and let's talk about queenhood and what that looks like in reference to the person that you have to become to ensure that you're focusing on that longevity and prosperity within your goals. Are you a person who must learn self-control? Or maybe discipline? Are you a person who needs to take your clarity and your vision of your financial freedom and put it on a vision board to ensure that this is something that you pay attention to every single day? See, a lot of us, we want what we want, but we tend to neglect the person who we have to become to get those things. And this is the reason why here at Queenhood, we focus on our personal values when we set those goals. When you think of yourself as a queen, you understand that queens operate a certain way, queens think a certain way, and queens take action in a certain particular way. And if you're ready to set those goals, if you're ready to accomplish financial freedom, if you're simply ready to begin to set up that savings and emergency fund, who is the person that you must become to set those goals? Who is the person that you must become to accomplish those goals? So I inspire you today to take action. Take action on taking a look at yourself as a queen and asking yourself, who am I? What kind of queen am I? What kind of queen am I in regards to my personal finances? What kind of queen am I to be ready to set and accomplish my goals for 2021? Ladies, if this video was everything that you needed, leave a comment down below. Let me know what type of queen are you. Let me know the personal values that you uphold, whether they're longevity, prosperity, balance, wisdom, having a vision. Let me know all of that down below. And again, feel free to connect with us. We are a tribe growing of queens who set goals, queens who accomplish goals, and queens who are on the road to financial freedom. See you later, ladies.